Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important essays in English literary criticism, The Function of Criticism at the Present Time, written by Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold was a famous Victorian poet and critic. He believed that criticism plays a very important role in the development of literature and society. About the essay. The Function of Criticism at the Present Time was published in 1864. In this essay, Arnold explains the importance, purpose, and role of criticism in modern times. According to Arnold, criticism is not simply finding faults in a literary work. It is a serious activity that helps people understand great ideas, literature, and culture. Main ideas of the essay. Criticism as a creative activity. Matthew Arnold says that criticism is a creative and intellectual process. A critic should not only judge a work but should study, explain, and spread the best ideas. A good critic helps readers understand literature in a better way.
2.
The best that has been thought and said. One of Arnold's most famous ideas is that criticism should help society know the best that has been thought and said in the world. It means criticism should introduce people to great thoughts, great writers, and valuable knowledge.
3.
The role of the critic. According to Arnold, the critic should be intelligent, objective, honest, free from personal likes and dislikes. A critic should not criticize because of personal feelings but should examine a work with a balanced mind.
4.
Criticism and society. Arnold believes criticism has a social function. It helps society improve by spreading new ideas and encouraging people to think deeply. Criticism prepares the mind before great literary works are created.
5.
The importance of ideas. Arnold says that literature grows from ideas. A society with strong and valuable ideas produces great literature. Therefore, criticism should encourage the exchange of ideas. Arnold's view of modern writers. Arnold believes that writers need a healthy intellectual environment. Criticism creates this environment by discussing important thoughts and encouraging creativity. Conclusion. In conclusion, Matthew Arnold presents criticism as an important and noble activity. For him, criticism is not about negative judgment, it is about understanding, learning, and improving literature and society. The Function of Criticism at the Present Time remains an important essay because it explains why critics and criticism are necessary for the growth of literature. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation useful, like, share, and subscribe.